how to turn on or turn off smart pop-up view floating notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, we tap on advanced settings and then tap on floating notifications. From here, if you select off, then it will turn off this floating notifications. So the next time you receive a notifications, it will not show a pop-up floating notifications. Okay, so it does not show. Here, if we turn on smart pop-up view notifications, then when there is a new notifications, you will see there is a small floating pop-up. You can tap on that and it will open up into a small floating windows like this. And from this floating windows, you can expand into a split view, a full screen, or you can minimize it, or you can tap on that to open up as a window style. Okay, we can tap on the close button or we can expand into a full screen. Here, if I switch it off, then it will turn off that floating view. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.